PhoneSoap by Alex Schechterly, Prachi Majamundar, Janet Kim, and Akshata. Sterile gloves were used throughout the experiment. A sterile swab was dipped in sterile solution and was pushed against the inside of the container to remove excess solution from the tip. Half of the cell phone was swabbed. A nutrient agar plate was obtained. The first quadrant of the nutrient agar plate was streaked with the swab. The cell phone was placed in the PhoneSoap device. Once the PhoneSoap device was plugged in, the light turned on, indicating that the sterilization process has begun. The phone will remain in this device for 10 minutes. The rest of the nutrient agar plate was streaked using the quadrant streaking method using an inoculating loop. The plate would be labeled and placed in the 28°C incubator for 24 hours and would then be moved to the cold room. The light on the PhoneSoap device dimmed and eventually turned off, indicating that the sterilization process was over. A new sterile swab was obtained, and the second half of the cell phone was swabbed following the same method that was used earlier in the experiment. A second nutrient agar plate was obtained, and the quadrant streaking method was utilized, the first quadrant being streaked by the swab. As done earlier in the experiment, an inoculating loop was used to complete the streaking on the nutrient agar plate. The plate was labeled and placed in the 28 degrees Celsius incubator for 24 hours and then moved to the cold room. The before PhoneSoap plate had 4 colonies of bacteria on it, and the after plate had 1 colony of bacteria. The PhoneSoap device was capable of removing 75% of the bacteria found on the phone.